Alrighty guys, this is what you're here for. Gonna get my bike. Courier just came and ring the bell that the bike is here. Alrighty guys, this is the bike. It's pretty small. Size of the box is 32 inches, 82 centimeters by 27 inches, 69 centimeters, and 14 and a half inches, 37 centimeters. It's quite compact. Let's see. Netherlands Dahon folding bike. Dahon is the world largest manufacturer of folding bikes. They make them in three different factories, and this one looks like made in China, but for Europe markets they should make them in Bulgaria. I googled it. See the model number, white, let's see here, and manufacture date is 1904-08. 12.7 kilograms, D8, 20-inch wheels. Alrighty, what else we have? What other information we have here? Same thing here. This is a comparison to the soccer ball. I was really hoping to have a bicycle not made in China. I was very excited about that they make them in Europe, but goddamn, made in China. We'll see. Maybe the bike is made in Europe. Let's see what the stickers on the bike are saying. All right, let's open it up. There's really nothing loose in here, so you cannot really take anything off. Let's grab the bike with one hand, of course. You need some support. That's the bike. Really cool. Let's take a closer look. First impressions, as they say. Wow, it moves pretty bad. Wow, there's barely no bearings. Or it's just brand new. Definitely on stiffer side, look. Not good, not good. Okay, let's start cutting it loose. Seat has a good cushioning. Let's see how much stuff is coming off of it. First impressions, it seems the magnet holds it pretty tight, so hoba, there you go, a little more and we're done. Now you can put the bike on the kickstand. Now when the bike is standing on its own, I still have to undo the handlebars. There's some straps on them, and the tires need to be inflated. Okay, let's undo these and let's put the handlebar up. Put this up, pull this lever up and let this one loose so it will lock. Well, you can definitely tell that this is a budget bicycle. It has some weird things you noticed. Well, what can I say? Some things need to be adjusted, but the badge up front here is totally aligned. I need to take a look at it, so it may be possible to adjust somehow. It's crooked. It sucks. The seat, it has the thing in the bottom here for the transportation, obviously. Aluminum. Well, it has a open bottom which will collect some mud if you ride in the rain. Plastic seat. It's handmade in China. That's the highest you can go, and that's the lowest you can go. So good for the child, and it locks pretty good. Once you slide it in, you snap it. You don't need much strength. Let's inflate the tires. Put the cap back on. Let's reveal this nice matte finish. Every bike has its frame number. I like that the fenders are coming from the factory. Let's check the brake. It's good. Oh yeah, back tire. Or rear tire. Rear tire. 50 hits, I guess. 40. 40 is alright. Let's get rid of the some more cardboard. Well, they definitely want everybody to know what bike it is. It says Dahon in many places. Here, over there, up front. Another thing what I like about the bike is the lights. Factory light. Design here will work. Yeah, awesome. Okay guys, here's why I don't like stuff from China. Take a look. Take a look at the badge. It's like a Mercedes badge or whatever. It's totally unlined. I mean, come on guys. It's easy. This is unlined. The pedal is not moving freely. Look at this side. I mean, this is quality control, right? Just do it. Do a job, Chinese. Otherwise, it's good. I still take a closer look to confirm everything is fine with it. I was hoping for the front light also, but there's no front light. Too bad. So we have a service handling. These are some advertisement. Express yourself. I guess these you hang on the bike once you have it set up at the showroom. Let's see what the service manual says. Alright, I'll go through it. haven't seen any videos bike upside down, so there you go. You can check the wheel spin. It's something rubs against it a little bit, but that's normal. So this is the magnet. Actually, this is the magnet. I guess, yeah, it has to be loose like this once they meet. Again, plastic here. It's good they at least turn freely. They don't rub against. Let's fold it down. It's plastic here, plastic here. Yeah, this one definitely is a bad. You cannot loosen it, the bearings. So this is how it folds. Well, I guess in time it will loosen up. But it's not the experience you want to have with the brand new bike. You know, we want to take it off the box and be perfect, right? So this is perfect. This is not, well, it is what it is. Otherwise there's no scratches. Got to pull this one out for the battery. Ah, from here. Yep. It doesn't blink. It has 3 LEDs. Well, this is what I would wish to have in front also. Anything else you guys want to know? Tires. Green compound road cruiser. You have some lube in here, but the chain is dry, so no, it has some on it. Well, it's from, but it's not. You need to just still lube the chain. Well, there's your bike. Couple of things. I was hoping to have a headlight or front light as well. There's only backlight. What you need to do is you need to lube the chain because it's dry. Otherwise it's a good bike. I was wanting and hoping for a long time now, a couple of years. Actually, this is gonna be for my son, but we're gonna be using it also. So we do have bicycles at home, but we don't have any folding, so this one will perfectly fit in the trunk of my car. It's easier to get your folding bike there.